Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create a poll on Snapchat. So it's very simple guys, but we're going to be needing a third-party app for this. So I'm going to close my Snapchat app and then I'm going to head to my Play Store. If you're on Android, head to your Play Store. If you're on iPhone, then you go to your App Store. Now right here I want you to search for this app. The name of this app is Sendit. It works together with the Snapchat app. Alright, so go ahead and open the app after installing it, and then this is the first interface you're going to find. Click on the Let's Go button at the bottom of your screen. Alright, it's trying to connect, trying to sync with your Snapchat app. Alright, so once you open this, once syncing is done, then the next thing is to connect to Sendit. We are trying to connect our Snapchat app to the Sendit app, so you have to choose your display name, or just go ahead and click on the continue button at the bottom of your screen. Now after that, then it will start connecting, as you can see at the top. Now it says allow contacts, find your contact and send. You just go ahead and allow that. All right. Now right here, as you can see, it says ask any question. So we are going to ask a question right now. Just tap on the ask me. Sorry, it's ask me question, not ask any question. So I'm going to click on the edit button just below the ask me anything. Ask me anything, not ask me any question. All right, so I'm going to click on the edit button at the bottom, and now we can change this ask me anything to any question we have in mind. For example, I'm going to say I'm going to ask this question: do you love YouTube? All right, so once you're done, click on the check mark on your keyboard, and then you find the share button at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and share that. Now you take a snap. Oh, it's still trying to sync. Sorry for going through all this process before you can be able to create a poll on Snapchat. This is simply because the option to do that is not on Snapchat, so that's why you have to go through this long process. Now we have to take a snap so that these will be placed on the right. So yes, so now I can just hold and drag that question to any point I want on my snap. Sorry, we forgot to add a question mark to this question so that people can understand it's actually a question. All right, so now the next thing you can do is to share this on your Snapchat story by clicking on the send to at the bottom right corner. All right, so guys, I'm going to click on my story and send this. So this is how you can actually create a poll on Snapchat. So now people are going to reply that. People are going to start replying this your question. So guys, this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe.